What's good? It's KreativeKera here, back with another video. So guys, I'm doing something different today. As you can see, I'm in my car. But before we even get into it, you know what to do. Subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below and like this video. Today, what I'm going to be doing is some inspiration shopping at HomeGoods on how I can see things in the store that I like and actually transform the idea into something for my home decor business. So let's get into it. Inspiration shopping for me is I like to go into the store, see things that fit my aesthetic for my business. And guys, we're rolling out by the end of October, so it's coming, but it's a lot of work that goes into all this, especially because I'm offering interior design services as well. But I just want to show you how I shop for inspo and how this type of search and discover can help you in your business too. So let's get into it. Oh, I love this. So my first source of inspiration are these lucite chairs, and you'll see how later in the video I use this to inspire my own products for my home decor business. And it's only $129. How cute. And here's inspiration piece number 2. I love the colors in this photo. I love the contrast between the dark and the light. Not super crazy about the image, but this would be another source of inspiration for my products. And these neon frames with the abstract picture are my last source of inspiration from HomeGoods. Now let's get into showing you how I'm going to use these ideas. Already know my business name is Lace Spaces because we lace your space, with the home decor and the interior design. But for my logo, I wanted to go with like pink and blue because a lot of people use pink, but I didn't want to let that deter me. So I decided to go with like a pink and blue logo, which I'll show you guys that in another video. But these were some of my initial ideas and kind of things that I gathered on what I wanted my brand to represent. So, and while I'm showing you my 3 boards is I want to show you how the ideas progressed and how going to places like HomeGoods and seeing what's out there helped me come up with ideas for my own brand. So now this second board, let me go back to the top here. This is like more of an advanced thought. Once I got my logo made and I started getting into exactly what I wanted to do, these were some things that drew my eye and said, hey, I want to use these ideas to make up my own products. Like I love butterflies, but to use in an adult way. I love neon signs. Once I get my office, I'm manifesting this, I will have a huge neon sign in there. But these are some of the things that really, really drew my eye and are going to make up the aesthetic of my business because that's super important in a social media age. So these are some of the things that I looked at. This neon card, like if I could have that in my house, I would totally have it. And then this last board I'm going to show you is kind of where I settled at with some of the products that I wanted to offer. So some things, because ultimately it's very expensive to purchase things outright. So a lot of my things are going to be handmade at first. And one big thing that was actually inspired by the picture of the saint from HomeGoods were these embellished crosses, and I can't wait to show you guys how I'm going to be using these. So these were just some ideas that I came across that ultimately are going to help me build a strong brand presence. Now, from shopping at HomeGoods, when I seen these neon signs, I seen the lucid chairs, it's like, okay, let me bring these ideas together and what can I look for online that I could sell wholesale so I'm not making everything. And I thought neon, I thought acrylic, lucid, however you say it. And I found these beautiful acrylic frames. Now, I'm not telling you guys 100% of what all is going to be on the site because you'll have to follow the Lace Spaces Instagram in order to see it. But these are some of the ideas that I got from literally just shopping in a store and getting inspiration. So these are some acrylic frames that really stand out to me and I really enjoy the way they look. So also the next idea that I kind of got from those same acrylic frames is like, okay, what else can I offer that's acrylic and then maybe neon that customers can use that's a home decor item. So I also found these acrylic shadow boxes that come in neon colors that I think are really special. I haven't seen anyone selling them, and I can still buy these and I can still customize them with like my Cricut or buying clear stickers. So there's things that I can still do to make this, even though this is a wholesale item, to make it specific for my brand. So that's how I took those ideas from the neon frame and the lucid chairs in order to come up with an idea for my actual brand. And then the last thing that I came up with was that saint really inspired me, and I really want to do something with like a Latin flair with crosses, with embellished crosses, because God is first in my life. So I've been looking and I found some of these really great embellished crosses that I'm not disclosing just yet what I'm going to be doing with them, but I want to do something really fun with these. So these are some screwback rhinestone, I guess you want to call them like trinkets, or well, the description right here says concho, so that's what we're going to call it. But these are some items that I was inspired by my trip to HomeGoods to use these things. So I'm super excited about moving forward and developing products, and that Home Goods really inspired me to not just copy what I saw there, but to use elements of each thing to create a product for my own business. So in my next few videos, what I'll be showing you guys is the kind of culmination of the products that I've made based on the ideas that I've got, and kind of get you guys' thumbs ups or thumbs down on what I should actually sell in my store. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching my how I get inspired by home goods video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my other videos. Leave a comment, leave a like. I want to start building my community with you guys because you're there and I want to build a relationship. So thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.